Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to change your website on the X app using the latest version. Whether you've launched a new site, updated your portfolio, or just want to refresh your profile, making this change only takes a few moments. Let's get started. First, open the X app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into the account you want to update. Once you're on your home screen, move to the top left corner of your screen and tap your profile picture. This will take you to your personal profile page. Next, look for the option that says Edit Profile. Tap on it to open your editable profile settings. Here, you'll see several sections: your name, bio, location, and website. It's the website section we're focusing on today. Now, tap on your current or old website link. This field will open up, allowing you to type or paste your new website address. Double check the link to make sure it's correct, especially if it includes HTTP or HTTPS. Small typos here can lead to broken links, so take a second to be sure everything looks right. Once you've entered your new site, tap Save in the top right corner. That's it, your new website is now active on your profile. To confirm, go back to your main profile page and tap the link under your bio. It should open your updated website instantly. Updating your website on X helps keep your followers connected to your latest content, portfolio, or business links. It's a quick but powerful way to make sure your profile always reflects the most current version of your online presence. So whenever you launch something new or make an update to your brand site, repeat these steps to keep things fresh and professional. Thanks for watching.